You are preparing for Monday presentation. You embedded Power BI into PowerPoint. You test it, everything works fine. You share it via email. Suddenly, half of your recipients email back, "I don't see the chart in the slide. What's wrong?" You opened it, everything looks good for you. Here's what's happened. You embedded Power BI live data connection into PowerPoint. On your screen, looks good because you do have access to the data. The rest don't. They see nothing. I'm going to show you 3 embedding modes and which one to choose so this never happens again. Let's dive in. Here's what's happening. When you embed Power BI in PowerPoint, you are not copying data. You are creating a window that looks into Power BI. If they don't have access, they see nothing. PowerPoint gives you 3 ways to display Power BI data. Let me break them fast. Mode 1. Live View is the default. Shows real-time interactive data. Sounds great. But only people with Power BI access can see it. Use it for internal Teams meeting where everyone has a license. Don't use it for external presentations or email deck to clients. Mode 2. Snapshot. This freezes your data at a specific moment. Here is the confusing part. Even though it's an image, Power BI still checks permissions. If they don't have access, they still won't see it. Use it when you want to freeze data at a point in time and your audience has a Power BI access. Don't use it for external presentations. Mode 3. Public Snapshot. This is the game changer. Converts your reports into an image that anyone with the PowerPoint can see. No Power BI access required. No login. Your colleagues in finance, your client, anyone. They can see it. The trade-off? This is no longer secure data. Everyone with the PowerPoint can screenshot it. Use Public Snapshot for external presentations, for email decks outside your organization, and when you need guaranteed visibility. Don't use it for highly confidential data. For most of presentation, Public Snapshot is your answer. Here's how to switch modes. It takes 2 clicks. Open your PowerPoint. Click on the Power BI visual. Look at the bottom left corner. You will see a drop-down that says Live View. Click it. You will see 3 options. Select Public Snapshot. Wait for a second for it to generate the image. Done. Important, this only works in Power BI desktop, not PowerPoint for the web. Here is your decision rule. Before you send any PowerPoint with Power BI data, ask yourself, does everyone have Power BI access? If no, or if you are not sure, switch to Public Snapshot before you hit send. Why does this matter? Executive briefing. Someone opens your deck at 6 AM on their tablet. They are not logged in Power BI. Use Public Snapshot. Client pitch. They don't work for your company. Use Public Snapshot from the start. Post-presentation share. Someone forwards your deck to 50 people. Half don't have access. Use Public Snapshot. The pattern. If there any chance someone won't have access, use Public Snapshot. A quick recap. In the most of cases, Public Snapshot is the best choice for you. But remember, you lost your interactivity and the data won't update it automatically. But here's what you gain. Everyone sees your data. No more emails, "I don't have access." It works every time, everywhere. Your next step, please test its functionality by yourself. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more Power BI tips for non-technical users.